hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the low velocity impact of a rigid projectile onto the concrete slab reinforced with GFRP and contains pre-tensioned steel bar here. This is the pre-tensioned steel bar. You can see them pre-tensioned in XY direction, and this is a pre-tensioned concrete slab. Let me just replace the concrete slab. Click on the plot contour shape, and let me to use a limit here to have a better view of the stress propagation. So make it 5, it is better. Click on animate. You can see this is the stress propagation, and if you check here, see here pre-tension, these are the effect of the steel bars make the stress in the concrete because they are pre-tensioned steel bars. And this is the end of the result for the stress. Now let me to check the compressive damage for this here. You can see then the tensile damage here. If I click on animate, you can check the result. This is the back face or back side of the concrete. Crack grows during the impact, and this is the end of the result. Let me replace all parts. Now the hushing damage for the GFRP, also we reinforce it with GFRP plate. These are the damage for the GFRP. Then the stress maximum happen in the GFRP, make it S11. Let me remove the concrete, the GFRP. You can see this is the stress in the pre-tensioned steel bar, and also remove this. Okay, velocity, everything, you can find everything here as a result. So let me check the history output for the reaction force. You can see we should make a negative on this to make a true one. Displacement for the middle point, that's okay. And everything, you can change everything in this model. And this is the simulation of the concrete slab pre-tensioned with steel rebar and reinforced with GFRP plate under low velocity impact. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here. Then we will have a short explanation about the geometry, material model, step interaction, and the result as figures here. You can see them. You can provide CAI and Pen English video file step by step. The cost for that is 26 euros. Before that, send me an email to this address to get the result in your, to get the tutorial in your email. Thank you for attention.